everybody. Part of being an actor or a performer or dramatic is really thinking and using your ears and your eyes to observe the world around you. And it's really important that we're aware of what's going on around us. I'm wondering if you notice any signs of spring. I notice the robins are singing. I notice I don't need my winter coat anymore. I notice that the kids are playing outside in the backyard. And I notice flowers starting to grow. And I went on a little exploration in my backyard. And I found a few things. I found some seeds for planting, a pine cone, this really cool stick, a rock, and a leaf. You know this game. Try to remember all the things I have. I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to take something away, and I want to see if you notice what I take away. Here we go. What's missing? Yes, the stick. Good job. This is a great game you can play at home with your family. Just get a couple different objects from your house or outside and then cover it up and take something away. What did I take away? Yes, I took away the seeds. Okay, let's play one last time and I'm going to mix up the order. Still all the same things. Here we go. What did I take away? Look carefully. Yes, the rock. I took the rock away. Wow, you guys are great observers. Good job.